don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Orlando Pirates 3. I'm joined by Wazo. After the ball. Yeah, Steve. Hey. Yeah. Hey, Steve. Ikemi wona kanjani phuto mdala?
Ngiyabhetha mfethu.
Ngiyabhetha.
Hayi ukuthi Paris iyadlala Kaizer Chiefs week. Hayi ukuthi Paris iyadlala. I-Chiefs i-week. And futhi enye into ukuthi edingekala uma ngayenziwa phaka Chiefs abakhulu lo coach apha. Sicela abanye coach abahlulakele lapha.
Ngephisi.
Hayi abahlula asifukulwa nabo.
Yes.
Abahambe behlulakele.
Sasemnandi.
Nomsebenzi lo coach Chiefs ungaphezulu kwawo.
Yes.
Asiyababona babezojolika labantu. Babezojolika labantu.
The translators.
Hayi coach.
No coaches.
Manje sebanikeza umsebenzi abengazange ukuzowenza. Asibakhululeni bafuna.
Once.
Asibakhululeni kahle ngomoya osona.
Please.
Hayi kahle. Yabonga mfowethu.
Thank you Phuto mdala.